Hi, my name's Christopher Enck. Before we begin, I'd just like you to know that this video is informational in nature and should not be construed as legal advice in your situation or jurisdiction. No attorney-client relationship is intended, and if you have a specific question, you should seek the advice of an attorney or contact me through my website at encklaw.com. That's ENCKLAW.com. I'd like to take a moment now and discuss Pennsylvania wills and trusts. Pennsylvania wills and trusts are different from any other state. There may be some similarities, but this advice is in no way intended for anyone outside the state of Pennsylvania. One of the first things I'm always asked is, do I need an attorney? The answer is no. And did you realize that in Pennsylvania, it is permissible to perform surgery on your pets? Now, maybe you can do a wonderful job declawing Fluffy. Or maybe you'll end up to your elbows inside your faithful golden retriever and wonder how you're going to hit replay on the YouTube machine. Just because you can do it without an attorney doesn't mean it's a good idea. And I would recommend taking your pets to the veterinarian. The other question I get is, what about the internet? I filled out my will online. You know what? There's nothing wrong with that. And I'm sure it's entirely valid. There's only one problem. You know how things are on the internet. Can you trust everything that you see? Is it one size fits all? Or does it allow you to customize? You know, I have books with hundreds of pages on how to draft wills and trusts. I've taken courses in law school on how to draft wills and trusts. I take continuing legal education on how to draft wills and trusts. If it takes that much for me to do a competent job, how can a website do it with fill in the blanks? Now, if your situation is the same as everybody else's and you don't think you need anything special, then by all means, go ahead and fill it out. But if you think your situation might be a little different, it's a good idea to consult an attorney. Finally, I want to warn you to have your wills reviewed periodically. Anytime there's a major life change with you, your spouse, your benefactors, your beneficiaries, it's time to have your will reviewed. Births, deaths, purchases of large amounts of property, purchases of small amounts of property. Many different aspects of your will can be changed through the inclusion or exclusion of certain items and people. And never put funeral instructions or burial instructions in your will. Keep them separate and let people know where they are. Many times a will is not opened until well after you are buried and in the ground. That would be a horrible time to find out that you wanted to be cremated instead. So make sure people know your funeral and burial wishes and keep that writing separate from your will. If you have any further questions, please consult an attorney of your choice, or once again, you can contact me. I practice in Central Pennsylvania. My website is Encklaw, ENCKLAW.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and have a blessed day.